Want to use ChatGPT on your mobile device in 2025? Here's how to get started in under 2 minutes. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1, download the ChatGPT app. First, head to your device's app store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for ChatGPT and download the official app from openai. Step 2, log in or sign up. Once the app is installed, open it up. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you're new, sign up for a free account or log in with your existing Google or Microsoft account. Step 3, start chatting. Now you're ready to start chatting. Type your question or message in the text box, and ChatGPT will respond instantly. You can ask anything from casual questions to specific tasks, like helping with writing or research. Step 4, customize settings. If you want to adjust settings, tap on your profile icon to customize your experience, like managing notifications or switching to a different language. Step 5, use ChatGPT for specific tasks. ChatGPT can help with a variety of tasks on mobile. Whether you need assistance with writing, translation, brainstorming, or even generating code, just type your request and let ChatGPT do the rest. That's how you use ChatGPT on mobile in 2025. It's quick, easy, and super useful. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.